Greetings, my dear YouTubers. Welcome to my channel, Natalia with you, your tour guide, your insider travel advisor from Belarus. Well, I left Minsk yesterday and I headed to my favorite place in Vitebsk region, to my place of energy, place of power. Beautiful one, the most beautiful one for me. I love this area, this wonderful lake. And during next week I will stay in this area. I'm calling it stress relief time for me, so definitely I will be charged with new energy, with new ideas, and I decided to make some vloggings from you from a village. We'll show you this village style. We'll make some videos with locals. We'll show you our neighbors, owners of farmsteads, and so on. What would you like to know about village, about Belarusian countryside? You can leave your comments down below this video, and I will film episodes especially for you. Now I will show you a cottage, a house where we live on the bank of this lake. And tomorrow I will make a room tour for you. And definitely I will leave even an address of this place if in case if you are in Belarus, you can come to this place as well. Let's start. You can see our place, and now we're gonna have dinner on the bank of this lake. Oh my dears, I wanna show you this fish. The host of this cottage, Alexander, he caught this fish today and he smoked it. And now we will eat it. We will try it. Da-da-da-da. So we're gonna have dinner, our potato. Yeah, and delicious. So we're gonna have simple dinner and village style from this area. Артем, вкусно?
Simple dinner, village style.
Good.
Bon appetit, my dear friends.
Merci beaucoup.
How are you doing here?
Just wonderful. Have a look. We have a moon, we have sunset, we have beautiful dinner with friends, and lake surrounding. It's just great. Life is great.
Super.
Yes. Just
Oh, Lena now will try this wonderful fish, which was smoked by Alexander. Elena, you're my favorite taste tester.
Guys, it's just.
Better than in a restaurant.
I have never tried such fish in a restaurant. They just don't serve it because it's unique, you know? It's fresh fish from this beautiful lake, done specially for us by the owner of this house. Is
Awesome.
Just incredible. It's so delicious.
I want to try as well.
Absolutely natural.
Так, все. Я тоже буду кушать. Английскую ты пробовала?
Не, забираю я тебя с собой, короче.
Чем?
Скажи, как это вкусно.
Я еще курить буду. Потом. Я наслаждаюсь вином.
It's
It's very yummy. Delicious.
Ну, каждый сам себе
Слушай, ну это
наслаждается,
реально
сколько
очень вкусно.
он-
Это
Да,
прям очень вкусно.
Это очень вкусно.
Артем. He's a local man who joined us for this dinner. He's from Sanctuary Island.
Я так
Share
понял,
this
я.
dinner together. Good morning, my dears. What a pleasure to sit in this morning, to have my cup of coffee with a beautiful view to this lake. You know, I'm dreaming maybe one day I will have a little house in almost such a beautiful place. And my mornings will be like this. It's my dream, by the way, to have a tiny house on the lake. You see my coffee. Local bread made by my friend, master. While staying here in this cottage, I cook for myself and for my friends. No one does it for us. And I noticed that when I'm in the city, I try not to eat bad food and so on. But when I go to a countryside, to a village, I totally change my habits of having food. And here we eat simple food like our grandparents cooked before. And for example, now I'm planning to cook eggs with onion and local bacon. So here is onion, and I will put some bacon over here, and it will be really fat. And I will put some eggs after. So usually when we back to Minsk, we are plus a few kilos. And then again, we don't eat lots of fat in the city, but here I love this village style. Well, all my subscribers, I know that I have lots of vegans. Just don't watch this episode, please. Because here in Belarus we have a culture of food, and without this food it was quite difficult to survive here because of climate, you know. Awesome. Yelena, what are you planning to do right now?
I'm planning to enjoy my life.
Super. Oh,
busy doing nothing.
super. So that's how we have our, I don't know, brunch here in this wonderful place. And here in this village, looking at this lake, I remember your messages when you sent me such phrases that Natasha, soon there will be difficult time and there will be a food shortage in Belarus because of sanctions, you will starve and so on. What can I say, guys? Here in the village, there is an abundance and people live simple life, but they have everything because they grow their own food, they have their pigs, chickens, they live totally sovereign life here. And so if I feel that I will starve in the city, I will definitely move to a village because you don't need a lot, but you have basic things for living, and this is just great. And looking at these hardworking people in this village, I can understand that they will survive in any situation because they know how to um, find food, how to help their family, and it's really awesome. what can I say? Have a great day. Stay on the channel. Subscribe. Leave your comments down below this video. I'm really glad getting your messages. It's a great support to me. You can also become a supporter of my channel. It's so essential right now for me. Thank you guys. Thanks for your interest. Stay